Karthik. Welcome to Perseverance IAS. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper for July 5th, 2021. The first article that you have to read is J&K administration bans drones in Srinagar. Again, this is in regards to the recent developments of using of improvised explosive devices and delivering them with drones in Jammu and Kashmir. So to get an understanding of what is the current scenario, how the government is reacting, you have to read this article. From that perspective, apart from it, it is not that significant. The next article is Taliban captures several districts in Afghanistan. Again, important to read in the backdrop of US withdrawal of troops and its significance on ground and how things are changing on ground in Afghanistan. In page 4 in Northeast, you have to read curbs on people without jabs is like house arrest. Why discrimination matters, under which laws the Guwahati High Court saw this case, and why these kinds of practices do not help vaccine hesitancy in India, and how it is counterproductive to tackle vaccine hesitancy in our country. So you have to read this article from that perspective. It's imposing on rights, or the SOP that the Mizoram government came out with, are against the fundamental rights given to every citizen of India. From that perspective, you have to read this article. The second thing, as I was saying, is look at this picture. If you have certain goals in life, try to be happy as these kids are. I just wanted to point out how happy these kids are and try to get an inspiration from these kids and say that yes, I'll become an officer of Indian Administrative Services, and I'll try to ensure that kids do not fall prey to their social circumstances. So try to get inspiration from such kids and try to imagine you helping these kids out in future when you are in services. So moving on to the next article, Odisha government constructs 10,000 rainwater harvesting structure. This is environmentally important, so please do read, give an example in main answer writing. IB sounds alert on Bangladeshi nationals. Again, this is an informative to understand what is the current scenario and how the establishment is reacting to such instances. So moving on in the editorial, the problem now with the military synergy plan. This is from the perspective of an Air Force officer who headed the Air Force in India. So try to read and get some nuances out of it and how Indian armed forces are struggling to consolidate into the multiple theater commands and how India has the problem of operating in silos and what would be the potential solution to current scenario. The next article that I suggest you read is Mixed Bag Restoring Health of Every Constituent Sector. Again, this is in regards to yesterday's or day before yesterday's article where we talked about 95 billion in export and why it is of significance and not significance at the same time. Moving on to the op-ed, how Chhattisgarh had stalled a historic judgment. Please do read this a bit carefully because it is tilted to a certain extent, but I suggest you get an understanding of how the situation was in regards to Naxalism and surrounding issues. Again, this is environmentally important. The heavy footprint of a light rail, what is a light rail, how this particular project is threatening environment in this state, and how infrastructure should be planned in keeping in mind how environmentally friendly infrastructure should be. So moving on, Assam plans subgroups to stabilize population. This is important because this is currently the policy that is being adopted by the government of Assam. So it becomes a little bit of importance in terms of population control and the scheme that they are trying to bring into foray. Narayan to inaugurate Army Memorial in Italy. Why they are inaugurating an Army Memorial? How Indian Army is linked to that period or that war? From that perspective, you have to read this article. So moving on, 4 years on, delay derails railway CCTV project. What is this CCTV project? What is Nirbhaya Fund? Who is CVC? Why they are interested with this investigation? From that perspective, please do read this article to get an understanding of how CVC works and what is this project and what was the goal of this CCTV project. So moving on to the next article, India-US partnership has a truly global significance. This is important because July 4th is the Independence Day of America. From that perspective, these statements do make a lot of sense and importance. Please do read this article from this perspective. Crocs relocated from Gujarat Lake. Again, this is important from environmental perspective. understand which types of crocodiles are they talking about. So from an environmental perspective, please do read what are crocodiles, types of crocodiles in India, gharial and whatnot, and from that perspective, understand this article. So coming to page number 10, second wave hit young people significantly, says study. To give a comparative study as to how the first wave and second wave are different from each other, this article is significant. The study that was conducted is by government institutions and there are two premier ones, and I humbly suggest you at least to make down certain points in this article to augment your answers in mains as to how first wave and second wave are different significantly. The important article is Literacy Numeracy Mission Deadline pushed to 2027. This article has to be read from two perspectives. Why India is literacy challenged in terms of literacy and numeracy, how it is affecting our population, how it is affecting our education system, how it is affecting our children, what the Nipun Bharat mission is talking about, what is the Samagra Samiksha Abhiyan is talking about. From that perspective, please do read this article. It is important to understand what is Nipun Bharat mission, why cutting of funding to these initiatives is detrimental to their own survival or the mission survival, and please do understand the parameter that they are talking about here, the class 3 child parameter, why it is important, and try to compare it with global standards and how it is linked to sustainable development goals. That link, if you could make a connection between that three parts, that is the class 3 link with sustainable development goals and international standards, and how it is affecting our growth and our own education system, then it would be very useful for you. More child marriages being foiled in Odisha. It is more both alarming and concerning to see that still, even in this day and age, this many child marriages being conducted. Now you have to read this article from the perspective. It's a good example to showcase that certain frameworks that are put in place by government of India and state governments is working, but not to a greater extent. Read this from that perspective. What are the programs that governments are adopting to prevent child marriages from happening? That. So coming to page number 11, that is world families flee as Taliban seize key districts. What are these districts? Why are people fleeing? How things are turning for the worse in Afghanistan. That is an informative article. You have to read this to understand what is the ground situation. Moving on, Chinese astronauts complete first spacewalk at new station. This is again what is the space station that they are talking about, how it is important, and compare it with the Indian space program and where Gaganyaan stands from that perspective. You have to read this article. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper for July 5th, 2021. Thank you for tuning into Perseverance IAS. Stay safe. Thank you. Namaste.